Today, I'll walk you through how to create an Airtable base from scratch, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your own Airtable base so you can efficiently manage your projects. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Airtable website. Once you're there, look for the plus sign next to Workspaces. This is where you'll create a new workspace. Think of this as the foundation for your project. Once you've clicked the plus sign, you'll see an option to create a new workspace. Go ahead and click on Create. This is your first step towards building a customized database that suits your needs. It's like laying the first brick in a house. Now that your workspace is created, it's time to highlight the new base. Click on the highlighted area to proceed. This action will set the stage for your new Airtable base, where all your data will be organized and stored just like organizing files in a cabinet. On the left side of your screen, a window will appear offering you options to either create a table from scratch or ask for assistance from AI to help build your table. Choose the option that feels right for you. If you're feeling adventurous, go ahead and build your own table. It's a great way to learn. Once your base is created, you'll see a pre-created table. Here, you can modify it based on your specific needs. For example, if you want to create a task progress tracker, this is where you'll rename each column to fit your requirements. Think of this as customizing a recipe to suit your taste. Next, let's modify the first column. Rename it to Task Name. In addition to editing the column title, you'll notice a variety of column types to choose from. Select the one that best suits your needs. This flexibility is what makes Airtable such a powerful tool. As you continue to customize your table, remember that tables in Airtable are highly customizable. This means you can adjust them to fit your workflow perfectly, just like tailoring a suit to fit your body. And there you have it, you've successfully created an Airtable base from scratch. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionalities remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.